I'm Kristin from Whiskey Tango Farms.
Hi, I'm Brandon. Today we're going to work on getting our planter boxes in for our trellis system. Kristin's all excited about that, getting our trellis up so we can grow the loofahs and other squashes and stuff. She's just excited about having a trellis and trying to make that a little sanctuary area for her to sit in. She's planning on making it a walk-through area and then like having a little seating area back there. We'll see how that goes. We're really busy and we don't know if we'll get that part done, but we'll at least get the planter boxes in, the hog panels, cattle panels, whatever the heck they are, up, and T-posts in to hold it. So we'll see you there.
Okay, so we have our boxes on the ground and we measure. I had the boys kind of hold it and make sure that the arch was at the
Proper arch
that I wanted, that it looked good to me.
We determined 75-inch spacing
between the boxes.
is where we need to be.
For the 16-foot cattle panel. And that made it tall enough that like somebody like Brandon could walk through it and not have to be like this. But
sure
not
I'm
that it
gonna
was like
crouch
tall and
anyways.
skinny. Especially when you get plants on
when
there.
the fruits are coming down through there. So.
Oh, I didn't think of that.
That's fine.
And now we drove these T-posts in the ground with this T-post
Driver.
I was gonna say pounder, but
Pounder, whatever.
and basically right now I have 3 cattle panels that I'm gonna use in the future. I figured I could always bring this out and maybe even like angle it to give it more dimension, and I can always add to it, make it straight, like whatever. But I'm starting with 3 this year, so
I think it's plenty.
yeah, for this year. So I'm actually just going to secure the cattle panels with zip ties, just because we have a million of these laying around and most of our farm is held together with zip ties. my life is held together with zip ties. Not really, but it kind of feels like it. So anyways, it was more of a cost efficiency thing, and this is what I have readily available. I got these from Harbor Freight. They were on sale for $1. There's 100 in here. That means these are literally a penny a piece. So I can't complain. So that's what I'm using.
So if you want a good way to transport some cattle panels, you can use these bolt-on hooks. Got these ones from Amble on Amazon. I'll include a link in the description. But it was an easy way to transport a couple cattle panels by myself. We have a trellis up. Show Kristin here. We got the first one up, and then we'll do the next 2.
It's all coming together.
So
it looks how I was picturing in my mind, which is exciting.
well, that's a good thing because I had no idea what was in her mind. All right, got this thing all wrapped up. Got the whole selfie stick vibe going on, which it's not a selfie stick. But anyways.
Look it's beautiful.
We got this all set up.
It's so beautiful.
You know. But this is the setup.
I'll go through and trim these little babies off.
Yeah, she's got some zip tie trims. We just attached this with zip ties. And then Kristin's extra and had to make sure these all lined up. So we had to zip tie them as close as possible. And there we have it. We have our, how long is that? Each section's like a little more than 4 foot. So it's, I don't know, about roughly 20 feet, 21 feet worth of trellis. So.
But I'm super excited, so can't wait to show you guys what this looks like when it's all done. There's a gnat. A gnat. But yeah, I'm super excited to get this all planted and see things all arched up the way I'm picturing in my mind. But thanks for watching. Bye.